This is the analysis of revival of Sindri fertilizer plant. The Sindri fertilizer plant located in Dhanbad district, Jharkhand, holds historical significance as one of the India's earliest large-scale fertilizer production unit. Established in 1951, it was the first public sector fertilizer plant in the country, operated by Fertilizer Corporation of India. However, due to the financial losses and obsolete technology, the plant was shut down in 2002. After nearly 2 decades, the Government of India revived the Sindri fertilizer plant as a part of its initiative to boost domestic urea production and reduce dependence on import. The original Sindri fertilizer plant faced several challenges, including outdated machinery, insufficient production process, and an increasing operational cost. These factors led to its closure in 2002. Given India's growing demand for fertilizer, the India's government, under the new Urea Policy 2015, decided to revive the plant as a part of Make in India initiative. The revival was aimed at making the country self-sufficient in the urea production and reducing the subsidy burden on imported fertilizer. The revival project was undertaken by Hindustan Urvarak Rasayan Limited, a joint venture company comprising National Thermal Power Corporations, Coal Limited, Indian Oil Corporation Limited, and a Fertilizer Corporation of India Limited. The estimated cost of the project was around 8,000 crore and it was designed to produce 1.27 million metric tons of neem-coated urea per annum. The new plant is based on the latest natural gas-based technology, making it more energy efficient and environmentally friendly compared to all old coal-based process. The use of natural gas as a feedstock reduces carbon emissions and enhances sustainability. Boost the revival of Sindri fertilizer plant ensures an adequate supply of high-quality neem-coated urea for farmers in Jharkhand, Bihar, West Bengal, and the other eastern states. This helps improve soil fertility and enhance crop productivity. The project has created thousands of direct and indirect employment opportunity, benefiting local workers and engineers. It has also boosted the ancillary industry related to fertilizer, chemical, and logistics. India has been heavily dependent on imported urea to meet domestic demand. The Sindri fertilizer plant revival contributes significantly to reduce India's urea import through saving foreign exchange and strengthening the economy. The new plant follows strengthened environmental regulation, reducing carbon emission compared to the old facility. The shift from coal-based production to the natural gas-based technology make the plant more energy efficient and eco-friendly. Despite its successful rivals, the plant faced challenges such as fluctuation in natural gas price, the need for continuous technology upgrades, and the logistical constraints. However, with government support and a modern infrastructure, the plant is expected to play a crucial role in India's fertilizer industry. Last but not the least, the revival of Sindri fertilizer plant is a landmark achievement in India's effort towards self-sufficiency in the fertilizer production. It has significantly contributed to agriculture, employment, and economic growth, aligning with the government's vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat. The successful operation of this plant set an example for reviving others defunct industrial unit in India. Thank you for watching this video.